Okay, one of the really cool things you can do with Canva is change the way that your font looks by using effects. So I've just typed change this font using one of ours, which is one that we bought. But I'll just go to just a generic one. Let me see if I can find a font that's just a generic one in here. So let's just change it to this one here, which is I think called Hammersmith. And so I'm just going to get this font here. And I've clicked on it, and I'm just going to copy that font because I want to show you the different things you do. So I'm just going to go, I've clicked on the three dots and I've gone to duplicate, and I'm just going to go like this, and I'm going to do this a few times. So let's just get that a few times because I want to show you all the cool things you can do. Let's get a bunch of these. Okay, so here's all my changes fonts. This is just the normal one. I can obviously change the color to any of my feels or the looks and feels of the colors that I'm using. But I can also change the look and feel of it by clicking on effects. So in effects, the none is what we've got already here. I can add a shadow and it will automatically add a shadow, and I can actually make that shadow bigger or smaller. And I can also choose to change the color of that shadow as well. I see one that's a bit more dramatic. That one's a bit more dramatic. We'll take it a bit higher and closer so you can see that that's changed the color of the shadow, which actually looks really cool. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So that's the shadow, or I could do what's called a lift. You can see there's like a little shadow kind of behind it to make it a bit more obvious. I can do an outline. I quite like the outline one. I think it makes it look really cool. Or I can do an outline with a bit of a shadow, and you can change again that color on the inside. You can change that to any color that you want, which creates a nice kind of dressy look and feel from it. And then you can also do a neon, so it just makes it shiny out. And again, that makes it also quite interesting. And then the other thing you can do, which is kind of cool, is you can also change it to a curve. So if you're wanting to make it move around something, you can do that, and you can change the intensity of the curve just by moving that up and around. So let's go and do it on one of the other ones up here. We'll do it to this one. We'll go to a curve because then you can see it coming all the way down, and you can make that more intense. So you can make it go all the way around, or you can make it that way. And if you want it to go up, you just keep on going this way and it will curve it all the way up. I really like the curve. I think it's cool because you can make it just give your font a bit more movement, and we'll show that how to use it in a later post as well.